What's up, Silver Stackers? Thank you for tuning in. This is Silver Slayer, and welcome to my 60,000 subscriber silver giveaway entry video. May the best stacker or the luckiest stacker win. Folks, this is going to be a massive, major giveaway. This will be my biggest giveaway so far. And if you want a little bit of context of how big this giveaway is going to be, when I hit 50,000 subscribers, I gave away over $1,000 worth of silver to 6 different stackers. I can guarantee you that if you miss the giveaway, you are going to regret it. That always happens to someone or a couple people when I'm announcing the winner or winners in the live stream. They say, man, I missed the giveaway. I wish I could have entered. Well, that's why I'm giving you guys so much time to enter. This is a 60,000 subscriber giveaway. We still have a couple thousand subs left to go, but at the rate my channel is growing, that's not going to be too long. I just want as many stackers as possible to get a chance to enter. I know until we hit that number, there's going to be a lot of new people finding my channel. A lot of new stackers are going to get an opportunity to win. So now let's go into the rules. Now, if you have been here for any of my giveaways, we do the same format, same thing, and I've been doing this since 1,000 subscribers. You comment down below in the comment section, hashtag Slayer60K in all capitals. So hashtag capital SLAYER 60K, all capitals. I highly recommend you write something along with it, or else sometimes YouTube will filter out the comments thinking it's spam. So if you write a comment along with that, it pretty much guarantees that YouTube doesn't think that everyone's just spamming the same exact comment over and over in my channel. I always go through and allow all the comments to pass, but I just want to make sure that everyone gets a chance to enter and it's fair. So make sure you comment hashtag Slayer60K in all capitals. Write something afterwards. Maybe write how long you've been stacking, how long you've been subscribed to my channel, whatever you want. Now, the second rule is you got to be a subscriber. I think that's pretty obvious. You got to be subscribed to my channel to be eligible. And the third rule is only one entry per person. The website I use will filter out duplicates. So if you try to comment twice, you won't get entered at all. Instead of increasing your chances, you actually just disqualified yourself and you will have 0% chance of winning. So those are the 3 rules. You gotta be a subscriber, hashtag Slayer60K in all capitals, write something afterwards or before you, as long as that hashtag is in your comment, you're good. And then also 1 entry per person. 1 entry per person. I appreciate everyone for the massive amount of support on this channel, especially as I transition into my new partnership with Miles Franklin. And by the way, if you want to purchase any silver, highly recommend you use them. All you got to do to purchase is send an email to info@milesfranklin.com. I'm also going to be sharing a discount sale in a second, so you could let them know you want that or ask what they have in stock. Let them know that Silver Slayer sent you. That's also a way to support me for free. Grow a relationship with that company. Andy Sheckman's the CEO, and he's a great guy. That's the company that just filled that $50 million order. I mean, billionaires trust their money with this company. I can guarantee you that they would never trust their money with any other company. And by the way, he filled that order in 2 days. 900,000 eagles he filled in 2 days. And that's because he has the resources. He's one of the top dogs in the industry. And if you start buying through them, you build that relationship, that could take you miles ahead of any just online dealer. So I'm glad I can offer you that opportunity to work with them. Let them know Silver Slayer sent you. Andy would be more than happy to hear it. I'm also offering you some silver deals. You can get Britannias, Philharmonics, Krugerrands, backdated maples for only $475 over spot. Send an email to info@milesfranklin.com. say you want one of those coins or however many you want to buy, or ask what else they have in stock. Andy will be able to fill it and let him know Silver Slayer sent you. By the way, me and Andy are going to start a little podcast type thing once a week, I think on Wednesdays. We're just gonna, make a video talking about the markets, updates, price forecasts, any big news going on, or just our thoughts on stuff. I think that's going to be really cool to be able to make a video once a week, since Andy is so knowledgeable about all this stuff. I learn a lot from him as well, so look forward to that as well. And by the way, Andy introduced me to David Morgan last night. So, I mean, he's my idol. David Morgan is my idol. If you watch my channel, you know that. So expect an interview with David Morgan coming soon as well. A lot of big things are happening, guys, and I'm so excited that you all are a part of this journey with me. Stay tuned. So this giveaway is just the start of something even bigger as we approach that 100,000 subscriber milestone, as I get my verification check and I get the silver play button. So yeah, I mean, if you want to enter for a chance to win some silver, make sure you do these 3 things. Must be a subscriber, which you better be. I post daily videos anyways. Also, hashtag Slayer60K in all caps, and only 1 entry per person. Thanks so much for tuning in. I appreciate all of you so much. May the luckiest stacker win. This was Silver Slayer. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.